Konichiwa to my kimono wearers and friends. How good is Japan? This holiday has been a hoot, but it's time to head home.
Bye!
Back in Tokyo. Must be coming into a station. Entry to the East Gardens of the Imperial Palace. These are our final moments in Japan. This here is a guardhouse from the Tokugawa shogunate. And this here is the same guardhouse from a different angle. And this is another guardhouse surviving from the Edo period. I walked its full length just so I could get this shot for you. I hope you appreciate it. When in Japan, remember that train station food is amazing. This is just ridiculous. Not a chiko roll or stale sandwich in sight. Our first meal on this trip to our last meal on this trip at the Japan Airlines Sakura Lounge, Haneda. Beef curry and fried chicken. This plate is all about Japan. Omelette, fried rice cake, mackerel, fried chicken. Couldn't pass up the beef curry and karage chicken. This is all proving to be very oishi. And couldn't pass up a final Japanese toilet. Final piece of Japanese luxury. That's the oscillation function. It's luxury, it's a dryer. Time to jump on Qantas flight QF60 to Sydney. This be the grilled chicken with veggies. The Japanese beef rice bowl. Not a bowl, rectangular vessel thingy. You're warned, these plates are like puck on ice. Fuck me. Food rating? Well, they tasted like airline food, so take that as it is. And it's breakfast time. Could it be bacon and eggs? That chicken's looking pretty familiar. There was also an omelette, but they ran out, so power of the universe thinking I had isn't as strong as I thought. That tasted just like airline food. And finally, that Danish would not please the Danes. Somehow this boy managed to get an omelette. Yeah. We are now about to touch down in Sydney. As usual, Japan and Nozawa has been amazeballs. The big question is, will we be back in 2027 for a fourth year of snowy fun? Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.